G'day, here's a piece of Boulder Opal that's been cut down, ready to split open or to face down, whichever you want. Rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted to help bring out the colours a little bit. You face it off this side if you wanted to just have the one stone, or risk it and put a saw cut in it and try to split it, but it's probably a bit thin this way to split, so I'd probably just cut it down. People ask me all the time for unlooked at material. Well, this is as close as you're going to get. I don't know how it's going to finish up, but it's got some nice fire through it up this end of it. Down this end it looks more sort of potch like. Over this side's got better colour. Probably a bit of ironstone still in the opal at this end. Looks like it might be clear through here, but I can't see. I'm only giving an opinion, and it's more of a risk, but it's more of a possible win if you get an extra good stone out of it. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.